Dear viewers, in today's video, we're going to show you the top 5 best cordless rotary tools to buy this year. Let's begin. Milwaukee 2460-20 Rotary Tool. The Milwaukee 2460-20 Rotary Tool is a compact, powerful tool designed for professionals. It features a robust motor for exceptional performance, even under heavy loads. The 1/8-inch collet ensures compatibility with all current rotary tool accessories. With variable speed control from 5,000 to 32,000 RPM, it offers up to 10% faster speed than competitors, allowing for efficient, precise work. The tool is lightweight and compact, at 9.5 inches long and 1.3 pounds, providing excellent maneuverability. Built to last, it includes grinder-style exhaust ports and a protected front bearing for extended tool life. The high-performance motor, optimized electronics, and red lithium battery technology enhance power and durability. The kit includes 5 cutting wheels, a mandrel, and a wrench. Note that the M12 battery is sold separately. With a 5-year tool warranty, the Milwaukee 2460-20 is a reliable choice for demanding projects. Dremel 3000-125 Rotary Tool Kit. The Dremel 3000-1/25 Rotary Tool Kit is a reliable and versatile tool for DIY enthusiasts and professional crafters. It includes the Dremel 3000 corded rotary tool, 1 attachment, and 25 high-quality Dremel accessories. With a powerful 1.2 amp motor and 6 variable speeds, ranging from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, it offers precise control and versatility. The innovative airflow system ensures smoother, cooler, and quieter operations. The slim, ergonomic body with a 360-degree grip zone provides comfort during extended use. The kit's 25 versatile accessories enable tasks such as detail sanding, sharpening, grinding, cutting, carving, polishing, and cleaning. The F550 shield attachment adds safety and protection. The Dremel 3000-1/25 kit includes a 2-year tool warranty and USA-based customer service, ensuring peace of mind and support. WEN 2305 Rotary Tool Kit. The WEN 2305 Rotary Tool Kit is a versatile tool for various tasks, including cutting, sanding, polishing, shaping, drilling, deburring, and grinding. Its variable speed ranges from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM for customized performance. The kit includes an 80-piece accessory set featuring bits, sanding discs, polishing pads, mandrels, and more. The onboard spindle lock allows for quick bit changes, and the 2.3mm and 3.2mm collets offer versatility in bit size. The flex shaft attachment provides control for intricate detail work. With a 1 AMP motor and double insulation for safety, this rotary tool ensures reliable performance and durability. The accessories are stored in a custom case for organization. The WEN 2305 comes with a 1-year limited warranty, making it a reliable choice for DIY and crafting projects. Hi-Spec DT 30305 Rotary Tool Kit. The Hi-Spec DT 305 Rotary Tool Kit is a versatile, user-friendly tool ideal for both professionals and beginners. It serves as a midi-electric sander, drill, grinder, cutter, engraver, and polisher, working on wood, metal, plastic, ceramics, and glass. The kit includes a 121-piece accessory set compatible with Dremel tools, expanding your project possibilities. With adjustable speed control ranging from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM, it ensures smooth finishes and precise results. The tool's lightweight, compact design, weighing only 1.1 pounds, provides comfortable handling for extended use. A 1.9-meter cord offers flexibility and freedom of movement. Whether you are sanding, drilling, grinding, or polishing, this kit provides everything needed to unleash creativity and boost productivity in your DIY projects. Goxawee G4007 Rotary Tool Kit. The Goxawee G4007 Rotary Tool Kit is a high-performance craft tool ideal for a wide range of DIY projects. It features a quick-change drill chuck and multi-chuck for versatility, along with 140 attachments and accessories. The flexible shaft and cover shield enhance precision and protection. The variable speed dial with 5-step settings ranges from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM, allowing easy control for delicate engravings and various crafting tasks. The compact, ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and reduced noise, perfect for sanding, polishing, cutting, shaping, drilling, and engraving. This tool is an excellent investment for DIY enthusiasts. The kit comes in a solid carrying case, keeping everything organized and protected, making it a great gift for handmade project enthusiasts. Bye for now. We hope this video on the top 5 best cordless rotary tools to buy will help you find your best fit.